Do you get confused to learn about English grammar rules? I can understand. Sometimes it becomes quite difficult and boring to learn about English grammar rules, right? But grammar plays very important role to avoid grammatical mistakes in English. So in this video today, you will find an interesting way to understand grammatical mistakes along with the grammar rules. And this video will help you overcome grammar mistakes which are very common and made by 90% of people. So hello everyone, welcome to Explore More and Learn. I am Dr. Anshul and I just request you do not skip this video at all if you want to learn about grammatical mistakes done by many people. Alright, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this, and much more is there on this channel. So let's start this video. So this is an English test. It has 10 questions which are based on grammar rules. So let's start. Just do one thing. These are 10 questions. So you take one paper and pen and write down your score. Alright, and do not forget to share it in the comment box below. So the first question, my thanks is due to him. What is the mistake here in this sentence? Okay, I'll tell you, my thanks are due to him. Why? Because thanks is always used as plural. So we'll use are with thanks. Okay. Now the second sentence, the gentry of the town was invited. What is the mistake here in this sentence? Alright, I'll tell you, the gentry of the town were invited. Because the word gentry is always used as plural, so we use were with gentry, not was. Now, sentence number 3. A large number of books is missing. What's the mistake here? Alright. So, the correct sentence is that a large number of books are missing. Why? Because here you have to see the subject. So, what is missing? Books. And books are in plural. So the subject is in plural, so the verb will also agree with the subject. Okay, so a large number of books are missing. This is subject to verb agreement. Now, similar sentence. The number of students are very large. What's the mistake here? We did the same thing in the previous sentence. What was the mistake here? The number of students are very large. Here, the mistake is the number of students is very large because the subject is number. We are talking about number here, not students. What is large? The number of students. That's why we'll use is according to the subject, which is in singular. So the verb will also be in singular. So it will agree with subject. So the number of students is very large. Now the next. My father gave me 100 rupees note. What's the mistake here? This sentence seems to be correct, right? But I'll tell you the correct sentence. It is, my father gave me 100 rupee note. So in place of rupees, you will use rupee. Why is it so? Because here, noun in compound words, 100 rupee, is used as an adjective. So when we use noun in compound words as an adjective, we don't use any noun in plural. That will be in singular. You got it? Now the next sentence. This girls' hostel is full of facilities. What is the mistake here? This girls' hostel is full of facilities. There is no mistake in pronunciation, but you see, here the apostrophe S is there. But we are talking about girls' hostel. So girls will be in plural, and in plural nouns which end with hissing sound, like CE, ES or S, we use apostrophe only, not apostrophe S. So this girls' hostel is full of facilities. Now next sentence. He has got some informations to share. What's the mistake here? The mistake is he has got some informations to share. So information is always in singular. We can't say informations. There is no word like informations. So this is a mistake. So he has got some information to share. Now the next sentence. The problem of education was discussed by the committees. What is the mistake here? Alright, the mistake is committee. So the problem of education was discussed by the committee, because this word is always used as singular, not plural. So there is no word like committees. We use committee, not committees. Okay. Now the next sentence. He is one of my friend. What's the mistake here? Alright. The mistake is he's one of my friend. So here the correct sentence is he is one of my friends, because you are choosing one friend out of many, and many is in plural. So he is one of my friends. So use such kind of sentences. Whenever you write such kind of sentences, don't forget to use this word after one of in plural. Okay. Now the next sentence. Many deers are grazing in the field. What is the mistake here in this sentence? Alright, the mistake is deers. So many deer are grazing in the field, because deer is always deer, whether it is singular or plural, because here many is there. So that means we are talking about plural. So we'll use are, not is. So many deer are grazing in the field. So thank you for watching. I hope you have noted down your score. So if you are honest, then share your score in the comment box below. Thank you for watching this video.